What if I told you that 95% of people planning to start a YouTube channel are complicating everything? They are buying expensive equipment and spending weeks planning on how to start their YouTube channel, stressing over perfect thumbnails, and spending weeks planning content strategy. But here's the truth. You see the creators who actually succeed, they focus on just three things. Three things that cost absolutely nothing and take less than an hour to set up. In the next few minutes, I'm going to review these three things and why they are the only things standing between you and your YouTube dream. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nkechi and I help beginners kickstart their YouTube channel from scratch. If this is you, hit the subscribe button and let's grow together. The first thing that you need is a phone or the camera that you already have. When people think about starting a YouTube, they imagine expensive camera. But let me ask you this. What exactly do you use to watch most people's video? I presume it's your phone. And guess what? That same phone can also record for you. In fact, some of the biggest YouTubers today started with just their phone. The camera you have inside your pocket, which is probably your phone, is powerful enough. You don't need a DSLR, you don't need a 4K setup. You just need something to record. And let me tell you why your phone works perfectly. Most phones today are in HD or even 4K. They are light and easy to carry and quick to set up. And you can record anywhere, in your room, in your kitchen, outside. And the audience doesn't even care about perfection. They care about connection. And if you think about it, most people are scrolling on small screen. So they won't even notice the tiny difference in quality, especially if your video carries a lot of value. But guess what? They won't notice if you don't upload at all. Now, since you already have your phone, here's a quick tip for you to look better using your phone. First, find a good light. You can sit near a window. Like right now, I'm sitting near a window. And next, hold it steady. You can use a tripod. Place it near a surface. Make sure to clean up the lens. This sounds funny, but a dirty lens can make your video look blurry. So don't wait until you buy a camera. Start with just your phone because the best camera is not the most expensive one. It's the one that you use. The second thing that you need is your voice and your story. Now let's be honest. A video without a camera can still work. But a video without a message, no one will watch. Your voice and your story is what makes you unique. There are millions of cooking videos, gaming videos, and motivational videos out there, but none of them are you. Your voice, your way of telling stories, your way of explaining things, that's exactly what will connect people to you. And let me tell you why your voice matters more than your equipment. People subscribe because of personality, not just for production. YouTube is about community and not just videos. So don't worry if your English is not perfect. Mine isn't perfect too. And don't worry if your accent is very strong. Let me tell you, people actually love that. It shows them that you are real, like very real. Let me tell you how to use your voice confidently. First, make sure you plan before you start recording. Write down all the keywords that you want to talk about so that you do not get stuck in the process of your shooting. Also, talk as if you're talking to a friend. Make sure that you choose the simple words. This one works best. Also, smile while recording. It makes your voice warmer and more inviting. Practice, not perfection. The secret here is that every video will make you perfect. If you go back to my other videos that I made months ago, you will see that there are differences between those videos and now. And here's another secret. Most creators don't even show their face. They just use voiceover and screen recording. So you can see that your voice is enough. Remember that people will come for the topic, but they will stay for you. And before we get to the third thing, if you are still watching this video, please do well to subscribe and hit the like button so that other people who need this video too will find it. The last thing that you need is your consistency and your courage. Now, this is the important one because even if you have a phone and even if you have a voice, without consistency and courage, your channel will not go anywhere. And this is where most beginners struggle. You get excited, post 2 to 3 videos, and then stop because nobody is watching your video, because the views are low. Or maybe someone laughed at you, or maybe you think in one of those videos, you probably spoke an English that you think did not sound well. Or maybe you feel like quitting. But let me tell you, every successful YouTuber that you see today, they went through the same thing. Zero subscribers, zero views. I went through it myself while starting out. Here is why consistency matters. YouTube algorithm pushes channels that post consistently. Your audience will trust you when you show up more often. Also, you get better at each video you create because practice makes progress. Think of it like going to the gym. One workout won't make you fit, but small workouts every day, even if it is 10 minutes every week, will gradually transform your body. YouTube works the same way. Here is how you stay consistent. First, make sure to set a simple schedule, like making one video a week. If you have the time, then you can batch record your videos. By this, I mean make sure to write your script. Maybe you prepare 5 scripts at once. Make that video the same day. After you finish making them, you go ahead to edit. This way, it will be easier for you to upload consistently. Also remember, do not chase perfection. Like I always say in all my videos, done is better than perfect. Make sure to celebrate your small win. It could be anything because that 10 views are 10 real people. That 10 people are your shield. And let me tell you, when you're starting a YouTube channel, people might judge you. My friends did that to me also. When I posted my first video, I sent it to my friend, and what I heard was, "What rubbish is that?" But that didn't make me quit. Your courage is choosing to continue because some people may not understand reason why you're making videos. Now, here's a practical example of how you can start. Let's imagine you decide to start a cooking channel today. You grab your phone, you record yourself making a simple noodle. You explain it in your own way using your voice. Then you upload it. And that's it. You just started a YouTube channel. No fancy background and just your phone, your voice, and your courage. And as you grow, you can slowly improve. Maybe later you buy a microphone, maybe later you get a better light. But those are upgrades, they are not requirements. The foundation still remains 3 things. The truth is, many successful channels started with nothing but just their phones. Your progress comes from creating and not from waiting. So, just for a recap, there are only 3 things you need to start your YouTube channel today: your phone or a camera that you already have, your voice, and your story, because that's what makes people to connect to you. Then consistency and courage, because that is what will keep you going. Everything else is extra. So if you have been waiting for perfect time, let me tell you that the perfect time is now. Pick your phone, share your message, and upload that first video. And who knows, 1 year from now, you might look back and thank yourself for starting today. If this video gave you clarity, then don't just watch, take action, and drop a comment telling me what your channel is all about, and I'll cheer you on. And if you want more tips on how to kickstart your YouTube channel as a beginner, subscribe and put on your notification bell so that anytime I upload, you will be the first person to get notified, and also you will not miss my video. Remember, you don't need everything to start. You just need your phone, your voice, your consistency, and your courage. Now, go and start your YouTube journey, and I'll see you again in our next video.